Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your HTC True Wireless Earbuds with any Windows PC or laptop. So first of all, you have to remember to disconnect these earbuds from any previously connected devices, and next just open this charging case and remove both earbuds. When you do this, this indicator starts blinking quickly, this one, and it means that we are in the pairing mode. So put it close to your device. Then click on the start and go to the settings. Right now click on the Bluetooth devices on the left side and click on this switcher to turn on the Bluetooth, and then click to add device and select Bluetooth device. Next, just wait until our device pops on the list. So right now select. Click done, and if you want to use microphone of these earbuds, you have to go for the system sound settings and manually switch from your microphone, from your laptop microphone to your HTC earbuds. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.